Think any engine oil will work? That one mistake can cost you $5,000. You close the hood, confident, but you didn't even check if it's the right oil. Then it hits you. That warning light is not a suggestion. Your engine is overheating. Too much heat and metal starts to fail. Panic kicks in. So you add more oil, still the wrong one, and you ignore the filter. Now dirt and sludge are flowing freely. Listen to that sound. That's your engine grinding itself to death. And just like that, it's over. A small mistake, now a massive repair bill. Wait, what does the manual say? Wrong oil this whole time? First, clean the mess. Don't build a fix on a bad foundation. This is what you should be using. The correct oil type changes everything. Pour slowly, check the level, no guessing, and never skip this step. A new filter protects your engine. Now start it.
Hi.
Hear that? Smooth, clean, healthy. No warning lights. That's how you know you did it right. Remember this. Check oil. Use the right type. Change the filter. Stay consistent. Regular checks prevent expensive mistakes. A clean, healthy engine means a longer life for your car. Wrong oil, ignored signs, old filter. Avoid these and you save thousands. Take care of your engine or pay the price later. Your choice.